Welcome to this channel, traders. Out of everything I'm going to be showing you in this video, I want you to remember that price will only move during the London and New York session. Gold will only make big moves only during the London and New York sessions. That one forms the base of everything that you need in order to find good trades when trading gold. So without any waste of time, maybe let's start by setting up our sessions indicator. You will come here to indicators and right there type sessions, okay, and then you select this first one, sessions by Lux Algo. Click right there. This is what you are going to see that the indicator is a mess, so we're going to put in some few settings so that we remove all the things that we don't need. Under inputs, just scroll down and uncheck the last 4 boxes. Uncheck all those, and then you leave range label and you uncheck range outline, and then you uncheck Tokyo and Sydney. Uncheck the last 2 sessions, we won't need them for gold, and then you click OK. Right now we have our indicator set. So here is the strategy, guys. It's very easy. Maybe let me just start from the beginning so that I give you some examples. Okay, it's very easy. Now we're on the 15 minutes time frame. It's best to go to the 5 minutes time frame so that you are able to see the small trends. All right, now we're on the 5 minutes time frame. Remember, you are supposed to be trading during the blue box, which is the London session, and during the New York session, this one. What you do is you identify simple breakouts, maybe just before the blue box or just in the beginning of the blue box, within the beginning of the blue box. Right here you can see that there was this breakout. Okay, so right here you could enter a buy trade. Of course, you don't blindly trade this thing. You can identify other things that will help you. For example, there was this trend line right here. So this trend line can help you maybe in extending it like this, so that should price come and close below this, then you will know that gold is now going to go bearish. Right here you could have placed your buy trade right there. Okay, at the breakout you put your stop loss just below this trend line. Remember, this one guides you, you extend it. I will come back and show you how to identify the right take profit. Okay, maybe let's just scroll a little bit back so that you have more examples. Check this out, it's almost the same thing. There was this small breakout, okay, and you could have done the same thing. Also identify this trend line right there, you extend it so that should price come and close above it right there, you will know that now gold is about to take off in the bullish direction. But right here you could have taken a sell trade right there. You put your stop loss just above that trend line, and that was the trade. Right here you could have taken the trade within the London session. See this breakout, okay, it's almost the same thing. I hope we're going to find something different. You see that breakout, and you could have also done the same thing. See, maybe right here it's not a trend line, it's sort of like a channel. You see this key level, okay, you identify it also so that should gold come and close above it, you know that it will mean it is now taking off in the opposite direction. Otherwise, you could have taken your trade in the breakout. Maybe put your stop loss above there, okay. It's almost the same thing, guys. but it's slightly different. It's slightly different here. You could have identified this trend line. You just extend it, okay? And another trend line that you could have identified. When you analyze, please do take your time, traders. Do take your time. Remember, you didn't have this one right here, so maybe you could have extended this one, okay? Maybe at the breakout right there, you could have taken a buy trade there. You put your stop loss, and it could have been a losing trade, but remember, the moment price closes below this lower trend line right there, okay, right there, you could have then closed the bullish trade and taken a sell. Put your stop loss above there, and then your take profit. This one looks a little bit different, okay. You could have identified this trend line. It's not a, or it is a trend line because it starts right here. So you have 3 touches. You could have extended this one, okay, and on another note, you could have also had this trend line. So right there, what I could have done is start by placing a bullish trade, okay. I would have gone bullish, but with the expectation that if gold comes below this one and this one, I go bearish. So when gold closed right here, I could have changed directions and placed a sell trade, okay, and then that's it. So let me just show you for the take profit. I once mentioned it in some other videos. You know, whenever you see price moving in a trend like this, let's say you have this trend line right here, okay, you see price breaking that trend line and then coming down right here where the breakout happened. If you can extend like this, and then let's say this is another trend line, when you see price breaking out again and coming here, coming up, know that it is coming to test this area where the downward trend broke out, okay. Let me just find an example. So this one is supposed to be a type of your take profit, okay. For example, right here, see this uptrend. This uptrend broke out from this small downward trend. Let me put this dotted line. So this upward trend broke out from this one. So this dotted line is where price broke out. This one is supposed to be your take profit, because when price breaks out from here, it is coming to test this area. You know, same thing. If you were to see price coming back up, you would know that it is coming to test this region because it is where price broke out, okay. It is where price broke out, but then it didn't come and test here because after coming down here, it already came to test right there. It came to test that area, so it was very much right for price to continue moving down. Okay, what happened right here, traders? Just apply the little skills that you know. You have this key level, it was tested here, it was tested there, okay. And then you also have this region, price reversed right here for some reason. So I'm sure you could have done this, okay. You could have done this for your take profits. Start with 3 trades, price moves into profit, you take your first trade, you remain with 2, price comes back right here, you take your second trade, right here you close your third trade. It's as easy as that. I hope I will find time next week when the market is open to come and discuss this further, traders. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I don't want to make this video very long.